Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about a math problem of fluid mechanics. In the question, it is said that find the magnitude and depth of point of application of the force on the circular gate shown in figure. If h is equal to 5 feet and d is equal to 4 feet. D is basically the diameter of the circular gate. If you look at this figure, here you can see that this is water here. It is the water surface here, and h is the vertical distance from the water surface to top of this circular gate, which is 5 feet. This is our circular gate, and the dia of the circular gate is 4 feet. If you look from this side to this side, this circular gate will look like this, as the shape of a circle. This horizontal line is making an angle 60 degree with this inclined line. So let's start the calculation. The formula for pressure force F is equal to gamma HCA. The gamma is the specific weight of water, which is equal to 62.4 pound per feet cube. What is area? Area is equal to pi r square, because this is a circular gate. As the dia is 4 feet, so r is equal to 2 feet. Now, what is HC? Let us look at this figure. Here, this is our circular gate, which is represented here. If you consider a line parallel to this line, this angle must be equal to 60 degree, which is represented here. Now, if you draw a perpendicular line from the top of the surface of the circular gate, then this angle will be 90 degree. And as this angle is 60 degree, so this angle will be 30 degree. HC basically represents the vertical distance from the water surface to the center of gravity of this circular gate. How we can calculate HC? As we already know that this is h, which is 5 feet, we have to just calculate this length. If you look here, there is a triangle formed here, and if you consider this height as x, so we can write sine 60 degree is equal to x by 4. So x is equal to 4 sine 60 degree. So what is this distance? This is basically half of x. So x by 2 is equal to 2 sine 60 degree. So we can write HC is equal to 5 plus 2 sine 60 degree. So it is 5 and it is 2 sine 60 degree. So the total height is here. So put all the values here. We will get the value of pressure force as 5280 pound. Now let us calculate the center of pressure YP. So the formula for center of pressure YP is equal to YC plus IC divided by YCA. So what is YP and what is YC? If we consider an axis here perpendicular to this line, so YC basically represents the inclined distance from this axis to the center of gravity of this circular gate. And what is YP? YP basically represents the distance from this axis to the center of pressure of this circular gate, and it is the inclined distance. And what is HP is basically the vertical distance from the water surface to the center of pressure of the circular gate, and it is represented here. And as I said earlier, HC basically represents the distance from the water surface to the center of gravity of the circular gate, which is represented here. And we all know that center of pressure always lies below the center of gravity. So here is our center of pressure, and here is our center of gravity for this circular gate. Now, how we can find YC? We know that half of this dia will be equal to 2 feet, and the centroid lies at a distance of d by 2 for a circle. But from this reference axis, it will be equal to x dash plus 2 feet. So we know that this length is 2 feet. So what is x dash? If you look at here, if this is 60 degree, this angle must be 60 degree. And we can consider a triangle here. So we can write from this triangle that sine 60 degree is equal to 5 by x dash. So x dash is equal to 5 by sine 60 degree. So the final length of YC is equal to 5 by sine 60, which is x dash plus 2 feet. Now put the value here. Then what is IC? IC is the moment of inertia of a circle with respect to its dia. And the formula here is pi d to the power 4 by 64. So d is 4 feet. Put the value here. So you will get the value of IC. You can see that to do this math, we require the concepts of centroid and moment of inertia. Now we have already calculated YC, so put the value here, and we have also calculated area, so put the value here. Finally, you will get the value of YP as 7.9 feet. Now we have to find out the value of HP. I have already mentioned what is HP. So if you look here, you can consider a triangle here. So we can write sine 60 degree will be equal to HP by YP. So HP will be equal to YP sine 60 degree. Put the value of YP here. Then finally we will get the value of HP. So HP is representing the vertical distance from the water surface to the point of center of pressure of this circular gate. So our final answer is the magnitude of pressure force is 5280 pound, and the point of its application is HP, which is equal to 6.4 feet, 84 feet. So I hope you all can understand. Thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.